Okay, Ram. So let's proceed ahead with the HR questions for NMDC. So
Yes.
please introduce yourself, Ram.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ramkishan Yadav. I am from Bhusawal, which is the largest producer of banana. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have completed my BTech in Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Amravati. My final year BTech project was on contactless tachometer, which measures the speed of machine without being in physical contact. Along the BTech, I was actively involved in my college committee where I hold various good position in them. Along with this, I have done various internship in other organizations like in Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited, Bhusawal Thermal Power Plant, and third, Indian Railway Electric Loco Workshop.
What are you doing now, Ram?
Thank you. Sir, now I am preparing for the PSU jobs, preparing GD and PI.
When did you graduate, Ram?
Sir, I am graduated in November 2020. In November 2020.
Okay, so Ram, you created a tachometer without touching it can measure the RPM. How? On
Yes,
what principle it was working?
Sir, here we use digital and use infrared sensor for measuring the speed. Infrared sensor.
Okay, so you made
sir,
it yourself?
Yes, sir. We are a team of 4 members made this project.
So क्या actually में कैसे करते हो? Infrared radiation से कैसे measure करते हो?
Yeah. Okay, sir. First of all, we mark a small strip on the rotor axis horizontally, which rotates. Then using infrared sensor, we send infrared signals, and it is reflect back from that marked point. So when it received by the infrared sensor, Arduino start the timer, and after one complete rotation, when it again come, the infrared sensor receive the signal again, and we stop the timer. For example, for one revolution, if it takes 0.1 second, then by using formula, we can calculate that its RPM will be 600 RPM. Through this, also we have test our digital tachometer with standard tachometer, and our error come plus minus 0.5%.
Did you check the accuracy which you got?
Yes, sir. Plus minus 0.5% accuracy.
0.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to what range did you measure the RPM?
Sir, 1000 RPM and 1500 RPM. At 1000 RPM, 1500 ampere, and in DC motors, we have measured at 600, ranging from 600 to 1000 RPM.
Okay, so Ram, now tell me about NMDC. What do you know about NMDC?
Sir, the full form of NMDC is a Navratna company. Its full form is National Mineral Development Corporation. The CMD, that is Chairman cum Managing Director, is Shri Sumit Dev. Sir.
So what is the meaning of what is the meaning of mineral development? What is the meaning of development?
Sir, development in any field, that mineral extraction, finding new ores, finding new deposits in various states, in various part of India, so or also in abroad.
Yeah. So when was the last mine explored in NMDC?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so ये regular activity है क्या?
Sir, I think maybe the Panna, that the new diamond mine, that is the new one.
An old one?
Sir, in Chhattisgarh, the iron ore mine, which has iron purity of 60.
When was Panna formed? I mean, Panna वो कब create हुआ था minings? Panna mines.
No, don't.
So ये नया minings का कैसे explore करते हैं? How do we decide that new mines is to be explored and mineral उसमें निकलेगा?
Sir, geopolitical survey.
Geopolitical.
Also now.
There's nothing like geopolitical.
Geophysical, sir, geophysical survey.
There's nothing like geophysical also. Geographical, geological, ये survey होते हैं.
Geological, sir.
So what is geological and what is geographical survey? What is the difference?
So I don't know about that.
Okay, Ram,
Mining part related.
yeah.
I don't know.
Tell me 3 things good and 3 things bad in your personality.
Okay, sir. Adaptability, consistent, and good learner, and also good listener. These are the 3 personality traits that I think that is best in me. And in what I am weak is overthinking, overexcited, and sometimes become emotional too much emotional.
Okay. And Ram, what is your hobbies and interest?
Sir, my best hobby is meditation, but also I do petting my cats.
How many cats you have?
Sir, I have 7 cats, but now left only 3.
What happened to 4?
Sir, they make new territories and now they live in their own territories. Yes, maybe.
So you could not adapt yourself with them, or they could not adapt themselves with you?
Sir, cats make their own territory, so the strongest cat remain in their own place, and the rest, the inferior one, go to find other new territories for themselves.
Then why you wanted to retain 7?
Sir, because they are born from the same family.
Okay, so that was breeding impact, huh?
Yes.
Okay, how petting a cat is different from petting a dog?
Sir, first of all, dogs are humble. And
humble is not the word. Faithful, you can say.
Yes, faithful, and they try to be with you, but the cats need their own space. They need their own time. They act like a queen in their own territories.
Okay, good. So Ram, now let me give you the feedback.
Okay,
See, ये जो आपने प्रोजेक्ट बताया है टाइकोमीटर वाला, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. That looks like good. तो ओल्ड टाइकोमीटर किस प्रिंसिपल पे काम करते हैं और नए टाइकोमीटर किस प्रिंसिपल पे काम करते हैं? यू शुड नया टाइकोमीटर का क्या प्रिंसिपल है, दैट यू शुड ट्राई टू आंसर. क्या स्पीड है, तुमने कैसे चेक किया, कहाँ मेजर किया, वो थोड़ा सा आपसे पूछेगा. एक्यूरेसी क्या थी एंड सेंसिटिविटी क्या थी इसकी. एंड मिनरल डेवलपमेंट में डेवलपमेंट का मीनिंग क्या है, कौन कौन से टाइप के मिनरल हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, लास्ट माइन हमने कब बनाई थी, और नई माइंस और लास्ट माइन जो बनी थी और उसके बाद इतना गैप क्यों है, नया माइंस कैसे हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. So that kind of question he will ask you. And आपका जो पर्सनैलिटी के कुछ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव्स हैं एंड हॉबीज एंड इंटरेस्ट, इसके ऊपर वर्कआउट करो. आइडेंटिफाई सम ट्रेट्स इन योर पर्सनैलिटी, गुड ट्रेट्स, बैड ट्रेट्स, गुड ट्रेट्स एंड weaknesses where you are working. Like you said, I'm emotionally sensitive for certain issues in certain situation. So try to find out those things. I mean, emotionally sensitive हूँ मैं, तो किस डोमेन में emotionally sensitive हूँ.
सर मतलब उनके एग्जांपल ना रिलेटेड
एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. यस, जैसे सर आई एम इमोशनली सेंसिटिव फॉर पॉवर्टी, लाइक अभी कोविड में बहुत से ऑर्फन्स हो गए. एंड
यस सर, वो मैं बना के रखा हूँ सबके, मतलब अगर उन्होंने बोला कि एक्सप्लेन करो कैसे, तो मैं बता सकता हूँ कि हाँ
एक्सप्लेन तुम वैसे बोल सकते हो. मेरी वीकनेस है सर, जैसे आई एम इमोशनली सेंसिटिव, फॉर एग्जांपल इमोशनल सेंसिटिव फॉर लाइक अभी ऑर्फन्स हुए हैं बहुत से बच्चे, तो मेरे को वो दैट इज आई डोंट फाइंड इट गुड एंड आई एम इमोशनली सेंसिटिव फॉर दैट. तो ऐसे से आप एग्जांपल देना.
अच्छा सर, कंटिन्यूएशन में
हाँ बोल देना 1-2 लाइन, तो इंटरेस्टिंग तो बनाना ही है अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हमें.
ओके,
अब यू कैन से दैट इट शुड नॉट लुक लाइक बहुत लंबा बोल रहे हो, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम द मैसेज शुड बी क्लियर. Message should be clear through examples. You can make the things very very clear, right? Okay Ram, the rest is okay, just work on that.
सर मेरे को ये जानना था कि सर आप 15 में से कितना स्कोर देंगे?
15 I will give you 10 में से I'll give you as of now 7.
Okay sir.
Out of and 8 is my good score. And so I can give you 8 only if you work on these things. As of now you have to work on, you need to become more confident and dressing sense थोड़ी सी बताओ अच्छे तरीके से करके, and let's see how it goes. When is your interview?
Sir, on 19th sir, last day.
19 July. Okay, you have time.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Okay Ram, thank you.